Okay, guys, just gonna do a quick review about Max Bounty. First, disclaimer: I am not your financial advisor. Just grab a drink. Having the Serrano. I don't encourage alcohol anyway. So let's cut to the chase now. I'm gonna refresh this screen. I'm gonna blur out my information. Right? I'm gonna sign out. I'm gonna sign back in. I'm gonna grab the code. I'm gonna pop it in right here. Gonna submit. And now we're logged in. So the BS is out the way. There's a live account. Now one more BS I gotta get out the way, right? We're gonna go to balances, and you can see 2020. I wasn't making $1,000 a day before the lockdown. You know, because I was making like $500, $600, $700, and about June, said 1,000, 1,600, 1,005, 1,007, 2,000, 2,000 plus, 2,6, 2,9, 2,3, 5,000, 7 grand plus, 9 grand, 7, 9, 10 grand plus, about almost 11,000, 7,000 plus, 8,000 plus, 2,000 plus, 8,000 plus, 11 plus, 4 plus, 4 plus, 5,000 plus, 3,000 plus, 4,000 plus, and it goes on up till yesterday, which was 1997, right? Before France 98. So anyway, 16 December, this is live. I'm gonna refresh this multiple times. This is real, right? I'm gonna go through all this other stuff because so many people join the CPA groups and they don't even believe that people make $1,000 a day. They'll be like, oh, I can see your name. Your name is not Smith Spencer. How are you making this money? Dummy, I worked hard. Working hard is not gender specific. It's not race specific. It's not height specific. It's not wheelie specific. It's not titty specific. Just grab a drink. I'm going to keep this under 10 minutes, right? So, I've been with Max Bounty for over a decade. No, close to a decade. About 9-10 years now. The ups and downs, more ups than more downs. I'm with about 7 CPA networks. I'm working with about 5 now, on a full-time base. Max Bounty is the one that most people know about. So that's why I'm talking about them. There's so many other networks out there with private campaigns, private offers. I wanted to do this video and show the campaigns I'm running, but I think there's going to be so much misinformation out there. So for your own safety and my own safety, not being a financial advisor, I'm going to blur out my campaigns, right? So I did $800 yesterday. I think on other networks it's like about 500-600. So I made about 1,500 yesterday. Today is probably going to be more. This is a live recording, right? So I'm running about 12 campaigns. 12 campaigns. So, or 10. 740, you see? 755. So this is live on camera. I'm getting conversions live on camera. So I just wanted to use about 5 minutes to authenticate this whole thing. You get me? So I'm gonna blur out my information and stuff because it's pre-recorded. So we're gonna go into the campaigns now, right? That's it there, 755 for today. So today I'm gonna probably do maybe a Max Bounty, maybe 1,500, 1,400, 1,200. I'll do another video in 24 hours to let you guys know what the update was, how much I made and stuff. I'm only gonna do 2 videos, one today and one tomorrow, and that's it. So I'm gonna go into other things like what you need to know in CPA marketing and why you should get into like a home-based business after 2020. You know, because I've been doing my stuff myself for the last 15 years. I've been in the game for the last 15 years. I started as a kid, right? I've done it all. You feel me? So I'm gonna run a report now that some people might find strange, some people might find fascinating, some people might be confused, right? That it's not possible. The only reason it's not possible is in your head. It's not in my head. I even think I'm not making nothing. I've done multiple 6 figures this year, not $1 million, but multiple 6 figures. So this is one network out of 5 networks. I'm not gonna show any other accounts for my own safety, right? So I'm gonna run report now, and you could see campaigns on 30,000, 29,000. I'm gonna blur out everything. I don't want some misinformation flying around. And you can see I've done over, $114,000. Let me repeat, $114,000. So what else I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna post this account and give you guys a snippet of my volume account, right? Because I do tracking and volume. And mind you, my ROI on this campaigns is way over 1,000%. Way over 1,000%. I don't want to be specific. Well, if I spend $1, I make way more than $10. For every dollar I spend, I make way more than $10. You understand? So, nothing special. It's just hard work. It's just hard work. So this is what you want to do to get your campaigns going. You need money. You feel me? You need what's called money. You want to be a doctor? You go to medical school. You pay $200,000 abroad. If it's in a different country, probably less. And you become a doctor, and you start earning around $5,000 a year, or a month, or $10,000 a month. I don't know. If you become a surgeon, you pay money to become a surgeon. If you want to be an accountant, you go to accounting school and shit. Like, if you want to be a fucking sorry for swearing, I'm gonna blur this out too. If you're gonna be want to be an engineer, you go to engineering school. You spend 3-4 years. You spend $10,000 of pounds a year, and you do your stuff. But when it comes to online businesses, people think they can put $50. You pay these institutions $100,000 for nothing. Especially those doing the medical stuff, cool, but most people are out of job now. Medical medical people, they got jobs now, but most people, you did business admin, you did history, you did humanity studies, all this crap, and you go look for a job in some wherever, right? Not judging anyone, but I'm saying you're ready to invest into nothing. But when it comes to building yourself, you start throwing $200 in. I'm one of the success stories online. I'm probably among the 3% in the CPA business. I don't want to be known. I don't do no seminars. This is just for myself. I don't advertise myself, but I follow a couple of these groups, and I see so much misinformation, scams and stuff. So anyway, just for those that are still crazy in their heads, I'm going to refresh the page one more time, right? You understand? I'm going to refresh it. And the money didn't change. And let's go back to the home page, back to the dashboard. And it's probably more now, see? It's like a bit more. So anyway, this is just a 10-minute wrap. If you want an updated video, Put comments below. Just keep it under 10 minutes. Thanks.